In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a published post in your readers' inboxes and the Substack app with settings that match your goals. Start on your Substack dashboard and open the post section. This is your home base for everything you're writing. It shows what's already published and what's still a draft. And it's where you'll begin a new piece when inspiration strikes. Create a new post to open the editor. You'll see a clean page designed to help you focus on the writing. Without distractions, add your title at the top. Keep it clear and specific so readers immediately understand what they'll get. Strong verbs and concrete topics work well, and shorter is usually better for email subject lines. Below that, enter a subtitle. Think of this as a helpful bridge between the title and the body. One or two sentences that add context, promise a takeaway, or highlight who the post is for. It's optional, but it can boost clarity and clicks. Now, write the body of your post. Aim for scannable, reader-friendly sections, short paragraphs, meaningful subheadings, and a clear conclusion. If you need emphasis, use simple formatting like bold or italics, and add links where they're genuinely useful. Keep your voice consistent with your publication style, and consider a quick read-through out loud to catch awkward phrasing before you publish. When the draft feels ready, select. Continue to move into the publishing settings. These choices control how your post reaches people. Choose your audience. You can make the post available to everyone, which is great for reach and growth, or limit it to paid subscribers only if it's premium content. If you mix free and paid posts, be intentional about which bucket this piece belongs in. Decide who can comment. Allowing comments from everyone can spark community and feedback, while turning them off can be useful for announcements or sensitive updates. You can adjust this later if your needs change. Pick your delivery timing. You can send the post via email and the Substack app right away, or schedule a time to email and publish. Scheduling helps you land in readers' inboxes at the moment they're most likely to open. Double check the date, time, and time zone before you lock it in. When everything looks good, select. Send to everyone now. Substack will publish the post and deliver it based on the options you chose. Do a final glance for typos first. Small catches here can save follow-up corrections. That's it. Your post is live and on its way to your audience.